Hi there. This is an overview of the tool to the lock with k22. These locks we have these double pins. They could be anywhere. They can be just in a row, they can be here. In general, it has such specifics. And it means that we have such a tool for him. This means that a sheet foil is used for opening. A strip is cut out, a shape like this is made along the back, after which it is adjusted to the working part and then we carefully insert the lock. And download. The lock is open, after which the native key works without damage. Bye, everyone.